That
My name is UBhekimpilo Moyo. I'm the country director for Grass Soccer Zimbabwe. Like I explained when we were in our office in North End, that we've got a center that was funded by FIFA and donated to Grass Soccer to manage it. We've got 20 of these centers throughout Africa. Grass Soccer as a whole manages about 3, one in Alex, one in Soweto, the other one is in Kailicha, then this one in Bulawayo in Zimbabwe. So this is a multi-purpose center. It has got an artificial turf, that is that side, and it has got a community hall where we do our trainings, and we've got quite a number of events that run through in that community hall. We've got a counseling room, an office, and also restrooms which have got showers, warm showers and cold showers. So this place has also been registered as an HIV counseling and testing center for adolescents only. We're trying to create a safe space for young people because in most times they don't go to the main hospitals and clinics because of the issues to do with stigma and how we look at them. So we have made this an HIV counseling and testing center and a health center for adolescents only, for them to come and access their health services